So today in this video I'm going to showing you how to integrate your SSL e-commerce. And what is the SSL e-commerce? Also, you know, the SSL e-commerce is a payment gateway system, and user can payment through by online, and this is too much important for our Android apps or any other platform. Okay, so today in this video I want to create a Sandbox account. So what is the Sandbox account? So here they are described. Sometimes you want to see how our payment system works with your application. For that we offer Sandbox payment system to test your transaction without paying any penny. Just create an account, see your API. Okay, so that's mean if you want to test how it's work, then you need to create a Sandbox account for your Android apps. Okay, so that's why for this tutorial purpose I want to create a Sandbox account. So what is my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you already subscribed, then thank you so much. Please like, comment and share this video. Okay, so after that, when you visit this URL and that create here are a button, create Sandbox account. Okay, so now I want to type here, and here they ask create your Sandbox account. A Sandbox account is needed to connect SSL e-commerce test environment with your application. Okay, your application domain. So here you can you need to put here your domain name. So I want to put my domain name. My like my domain address is www.androidcodingbd.com, and this is my demo. This is my domain name, and you can I need to put here your domain address. Okay, after that we are going to next part, and here they ask your company name. Okay, so my company name is Byte Genius. Okay, and after that click next, then your company address. So my company address is okay, click next, your name. So I want to put here my name. So my name is MD Shaju Islam. Okay, up next your email address. So I want to put here my email address. So my email address is developer.bdboy@gmail.com. okay, developer.bdboy@gmail.com. okay, click next, and your phone number, and also you need to put here your phone number. So I need to put my phone number here. So my phone number is, you can put here your phone number. Okay, after that you need to put here your username. So I need to put my username. Look like my username is Shaju BD. I need to put my username like Byte Genius. Okay, so click next, and here you need to set your password for this account. So I'll give my password. You can give your password as well. Click next and confirm your password. Okay, so after that click sign up, and here is your all put it information here are showing you. Okay, after that, so confirm registration, then you need to check this confirm registration button. After click that, email is not valid, developer.bdboy@gmail.com is already exist. Okay, they are saying the email is already exist. Okay, so they send us a email. So I want to open this email, and here is the verification code, and I will copy this code, and after that in this verification text field I will paste this code and click validate button. Okay, it's showing success. And what need to do, they will send us a new email address Okay, after wait sometime, they will send us the email address, which is the information for our this account, which is I was created after a few minutes ago. Okay, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you already subscribed, then thank you so much. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends. For source code, join my Telegram channel. I will give the link in this video description. This is Shaju signing out for today. Assalamualaikum.